Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so ni Badwam show na so. Niema pii ni wom. Obenya ochefa sports wom entertainment wom and nothing so politics e wom. Efisem fie nsensem na no so wom. Ba ne adru so na world of entertainment. Nya etwaguo e wo montene so social. Ebi wakwa na wakwa na nye social na wo hu ebi na me me personal fella. Na mpesa be no wo che konkon say adwuma de. Ye hira so pa. Medin de Sandra. Oheme na so adwuma nyame adom. Ene mon kabom ene momoa muchema efeme sister Sandy B Jega I'm the guy's queen akwaba na me fa akwenye so nase if you ada na me baby me nya 30 come age me age dem me pese me ka because mama me 80 bi mama me 27 bi mama me 30 me pe ba me bro sa e ni nyina because me nyini pa ka me 40 it me da ma say for their birthday wishes, for the gifts, for the prayers, for the love and support shown. Madam Ahosepe, because mon ka ho amenka ho. Adwumai se me so pa na mabusuafo nkwan ha ka me sister Sandy be a guy. Enti mu hwe mi nko ade. Madam Ahosepe na no pay. Madam Ahosepe wa na wuni me na Friday me birthday enti gift ne de. Ye wo December mu yi wadaroma. Mon famra nkosi 31st kan ne ka die. Magic gift no responsibly kwan bia so meje. I'm the guy's queen. Akwa abashonko na no na make say stadium fele no nipo betia ye be Pastor Elvis Alpha Hour em say bra ne tem nkra because ochema 31st elwa konom no Alpha Hour Alpharians ye hiem de mu aden e wo ye Elwak Stadium honom wadaroma mo meka Pastor Elvis ho na ye ndi dwumadi no na nye fe Elwak 31st night 7 p.m. na watena se Chief Alpharian ne Alpharians no ye be hia na ya de nyame ase se wo de afe no akoto amayen ensem pia chagu abrantie bi trendy se video bi na or kan about last minute say obesa oje sikepudu bi 40,000 for performance abrantie ne dinana rex which ma wonti ase se last minute so beji 40,000 bansana no ma word of advice be careful who you build with because they will use you for the foundation and build with someone else. Be careful who you build with. They will lay the foundation with you and build with someone else. Betimia hwaho, bi betimia hype, bi betimia mo bi fans, betimia buo bi de oyem. Onyam pempen so bi dwa. No ama ne ntaban so fi se wabaso. Osmeni woni se abiem, wonka ho biem. Na afei no, oni obi fofa akọ build. E din na abenya no, won sa afei no de je adwuma from obi side. Be careful who you build with. Very necessary. Christmasy Fabu abosum na idea bia wo bia nanse na be fi wonu maba no pay what I say tina make na Rex ochema oye event organizer e wotakwa me hwehwe ni mu ne madwuma yo ne me investigation me to ama na mo se me kwa hwehwe me say ya mpasa abrante mpo de o kan ya mpa nia me hu ye ne se osmo wade na ye nie nia me hu ye ne se yesetakwa ho bra ne ya ade pay na Rex no yesetakwa ojade ye so the top celebrities ebe krodua nim ebe di dwumadi strong dwumadi akese pa anya dwumadi ketwa enti big shout out to easyman.com easyman me machine asen ka me bonsem ma easyman me ami boma ma panje congratulations on your award easy you know I got you and your sister love you so much enti easyman me chefela na easyman so de kakra ye den eso so ma me yes na Rex ya de watakwa honom oye event odi artist akese ba nti na me so de me ho chance so we sure me good MC pa guys MC fa me to so na me nse ho fa ma nti na me nsa aka na Rex e wo zoom obi ka ho ba oni no wo so nti me de better for now because person me tie na Rex asem bi na afi uye na Rex asem bi obedoje aye say no dada KD manager Kimpi dada KD manager friend Kimpi adwa P ne nua ketwa Kimpi on a central region a musical or president central region one also concerns we say organizers no momfa or mo live band enye show mensa ka mo zoom nti ye nkonkomo no so real quick na mintie no kwewum because obi abuafu anopai me akwa me buafu bi kwa mpedu ancha me gift me buafu pa nti ye nkona na Rex ene dada KD manager Kimpi on say we OG high life music to the whole we say so a new school. Yeah, send your blend, you know. Good morning. Hello. Please unmute your mic. Pacho unmute mami. Mo se Kimpi unmute. Clarence Peterson, udin de pa akwa ba mantie.
Joso.
Senior man, Pacho, good morning, Kimpi. Kimpi, Pacho, what time can unmute mami na na Rex and Chochenko. Na na to say.
Nami Adom bibi aboko.
Jo, answer na ye be kon common so no. Congratulations because me hwehwe mu kire say we ade o takwa man nim pan yi.
Yeah, takwa bogoso.
Okay.
Bogoso basically.
Okay. Eti nana wo di video bi to montne so e ko TikTok e trending ye e ma me bo ha say concerning artists sikasema o mojeje ne ade. Me pese me hu say ye wo na ya na ye clone e na ye video na ye wa.
Me na me ye video.
Okay. Asema me obisa no metumebo I saw about 3,000 comments. Metumebo kenkan mu 500. And aside the ceiling fan and no more can very shallow, you know, because asama ye can always ceiling fan. Question am pese me bisa na me hear comment mu hu wo ho. I was like, Sanya na wo rant no. If you think the person is not big enough. And you hene enkofa na nye show because the way na wo kasa say o say krom sikani so beji say. Obi kwa say o say krom and fried rice nam. On comments nim na make no. Enti
Yeah.
The person bisa no mo bigger. Why do you call them for a show?
Okay, the reason why is say opese we show na utie enkofo omo opinion ne de omo pe.
Okay.
And so wa ko bia do omo nyina ye good but utie obia opinion ne de ope. So sometimes when someone no release tracks e fan say abaswa e trendy. Nti o hwehwe ma oh we ye pe we ni ade. Nti eno nti na ma you choose artists no I am far big. Yes, maybe I use it big in here, but big artists no you use more on a occasion day, something like maybe a Christmas 25th.
Okay.
Not big, but apart from that, you know, other artists need the obit use more any day. Yeah.
Okay, so if it's what the people like, but they say now you motor so and for now so enim no.
They tell Uncle most say or say chrome nipa biana me feeling the vibe.
Okay. It's an one add it also.
Yeah, and you buy or start to say all trending on I'm say okay no. I'm back away and both show na me first any abeko. And even before then crown make baby I made show ni kon say I say you know WhatsApp chrome has say to momo kasa no service some way. Me yeah flyers I made the call you know. Me the flyers ne bo ho na no bibisa me eh na hwan ni nam say ade wunim no say we wu ana nam say we wu sen o say from sikeni no say ono so ye hwan wow so ne bo shishi no say shishi just open say enkwala nam say that me be say enkwala ben so we face all these things but still no if you say any omo be
it's in a crack no the people didn't know say from sikeni.
Oh yeah, na if I no na kakra ni no boys ni no but if I be mo so no mo very active social media no mo ni.
Okay, Nana Rex, my me say way real quick na me call my next person so mo use aye tetifoni bi me share legends no to say I'm actually the more dada kedi no more any confirm do you use them for shows? Say you use last made the money I don't know.
Oh, but I be omo no use them for shows cause once say mommy funny at the end be my mere.
Wow. Nana Rex, I will not take that because with him, Okwa Nigeria may Two-Face, even Wizkid or more big who now most salute to Baba. And I think that is our problem here in Ghana. You have any DNA man penny for no. So I can't for that is totally wrong. Because
okay, there is
that kid you know it's trending on TikTok. So what TikTok?
Yeah.
And I have my phone they used to do a video no.
Oh, when you my phone.
Say exactly.
No, but one say sometimes the ban occasion I am and youth no or policing paying for no. Do you get it?
Okay, Nana Pacho, hold on, me real quick. Now, me say Canada KD manager Hakim P. Hi, good morning, Kim P.
Morning, Sandy or today.
Me Pacho nyame Adom brapping in house way.
Mama fan chiam mama papa or more fan Isaac Ebo Peterson. Origin and life.
Okay.
I'm fan chairman because on I'm very say so them is in chairman.
Okay. Pacho, real quick, what say there Nana Rex about not using the legends, you know? Do you agree with him? Say,
I am a so Sandy, I am a so. I read the mess made you man when you made you man in your do. Because a cadre, the monk of that kid in the more and pedu no more than honor and cookfona than not today when you made you in your do. Because the monk of here soon awoke and you made you man. Because the monk of here quack for one and one about for a wall bad. Once you baby, I catch on there once on Kukran and the one waiting one. But say after a stage net said that the kid is performer. On young Kukran and the one was so. Or young Kitchen and Brentian. No, what's so Ankasankasa. On your cross check, non shazi. Because any two and compare will be away and you 200. Then you will be away and you mock and got there or no yazas and you're away 200.
I see, Kim Puche, my dad, Katie, bet me up performing 1 hour non stop, back to back hit songs. Live
more
band.
Than 1 hour. More than 1 hour.
Live band, and then my mean, yeah, almost all my Kimo, my me.
Mine in the crowd, but I are all one. Why am I in the crowd all one? Because all my ones and because they want to bring out what they have.
Okay.
But event organizers, one for it wouldn't for my yearning paying fun. And I knew so true.
No cray.
And you mean
you go swadi dia sir. Now, once now cancer last made 40K. Any day. Pacho, your mama sa amount ni bi die. And I shy yesisimo kakra. Madaro man pacho wa.
Amount ebo less than the amount in the catch over there. When you be.
Wow.
Now I bought cow artist on one battle for fun. Then you put up battle for when you more group. Now when you may 10, 12. We use a treatment of what Bomo want to cramp was and I asked of it.
Oh.
In a stage in the put would you chow, would you chow, wow for no. A stage in which you chow, my new artist in Waba. What can one see Alan and more from one for a good one for man paying fun.
Okay. So na make an. So make us all quite two baba still they salute. But hano one who TikTok be one who dada KD be wouldn't nimbu say one wa hate a cry. You have to salute and bow. And no man being shra. What you are saying? Nana Rex.
Let a KD start saying 1904. On calculate one functioning age.
Nana Rex.
1904. On calculate one functioning age.
You said Tiffy age. What Tiffy me Becca saying?
Becca be brave, but still na endoma new artists ni benyano. And yet would they compare difference?
But maybe I can about payment, you know. Sam, you don't give respect to the OGs, sir. You know, sir.
Okay, me and yes, we don't give respect to the OGs, but the issue is, me feel say we artists na me fawa. A person oka prize okay. Me we a new artist. Now to say I'm here video concerning about last media.
Yeah.
Meaning the entire be bomb pay 40K for a show. If me only say or be performing num tour fans no me no me blame. So me to show be or be performing num too.
Interesting days ahead. But still, no, me per se, Nana Rex, Mudi Bobema legends, you know. Show Ukrainian more for more, give them good pay, good treatment, send all kind of Mr. Let's do that for Ghana music, and last longer. Am I? Because then you man, na for year in a be brain, no me to 12 feet, and you mu, and all my compose ni meet. What I say?
Me tell say pa.
Joe, me da CP. See, Kimpi me pacho bonneton for my final west na memory no as soon.
My men can be being chair event organizers. Yeah, my live and yeah, teacher musicians know boy live and yeah, na yebo kawankasa. You baka ka instrumentalist. Yeah, na able chair one transport. You able chair rehearsal fee. You just say you chair one appearance fee. This kind of what my na nkasa. On also me spend or instrumentalist. Nimpa no about playback on Spanish.
And one DJ.
On any DJ. Na DJ no pon no bonin pon o wakara minchio mi enter baje. Minchio. But don't know about live man. Catch all the minchio.
Wow, okay.
You are deceiving them. Because one of the live man. Can we feel it? Those kind of cheer and we chase Kapapa. But you don't know about DJ. He deceive the public because of the may be in a bassa or your and I expect the public in the back of that.
May I say, Nana Rex, when it's off our final words.
Was not there. Here, my live band, man. One for a good for me. Nay, young Bosicano, sir. One for chairman. If you know a risky dog and only Jenny Senate, ordinary insurance, travel insurance, you know. But I had one more transport in Pufanka.
Eddie.
But I have Papa. Will you so academic for Mobra?
But I see, Nana Rex and Rena at the right time, no matter what you in a live interview, now you're going to for her because at the time, you're very short, my make a cry. Intimate watch him, Madame Ahosepe, Nana Rex, my final was quick, not Mempon.
Now, so that is why I'm here our video, because me name the intel also me terms as a can come artist, no, and the engine answer na here bomb. Sometimes, artists be Bobo Beach, I would want to say 40,000. Oh, artists now about 40,000. Maybe 30 cedis, gate because artists be or to sell last minute say me found on me about cedis obimba unless 30 cedis and 30 cedis no nipa 1,000 crabba mean 300 million.
Okay.
And juice can now charge me no. Me na me fa o car eduane obedi hotel a obeda bibia masaya me ami promo. That is why I'm here sa video. Intino paying for the memo mo worry cra.
Okay.
Is I who say honey mum me and the better afa.
Yo, medasi.
No more much for them babon.
Medasi Nana Rex me link you to my boss well be Kofi Ampedi so be so events band here. Mo be here na watching real quick. Inti me da mo nyina ma sister no pay mo join in me conversation no me to watch mo na ya tre mu ye pa Miss Goldis ma me atade share Miss Goldis we Santa Maria ma me Frank wa ha Ima wa ha Osmosis wa ha well be Kofi Ampedi me director senior top most director and I feel rained off omungina enti Kimpi that the manager and a Rex Nana Rex Sakwa Bogoso events organizer omuna me omutwetwe nkomano pe na yekoye elections memne da no multimedia we che said the obehwe ye che say hard work if we have him at be 3 koye setup na so mu fi ho no manwume be 11 pm mama bo adwuma so so obi e da Mr. Mensre no hard work obeku ventures SCC mo me sorry so me the multimedia sleeping committee we the one to swan na what's secretary na wow why the gentle sleep gentle sleep I'm Badwam Ahosepe na to say ya na o straight kwa ya no ya kwa ya 4 to 5 days I'm Badwam ye binti momo time ni rain of for che ho obedada ish wow we the hard workers hardest mama me also rain of jemu NDC elections where they are prophetic sleep because akwana samadame na or honhum wako trans prophetic sleep wow me who Dominic o my hini producer o person o chene ho but osum na no die 80 me sorry so na show ye call for more hard work pa hardest workers o ma ko da fine me this is the Sunday I'm the guy's queen Ushamu Kuma Merry Christmas Macau.